Hey Tarot friends, it's Ultraviolet Morgan with another preview video. Just going to show you some of the decks that we got to look through coming up soon. First of all, an early Valentine's gift. Really nice Book of Shadows journal with the chakras, and can't really open it. But obviously, it's a journal. It's blank inside. Again, maybe I can open it. Alright. Let's see. So, yep. Nice and big, lots of room. Gotta scribble in it or something to get over that, like, brand new fear of marking in the journal thing. Anyway, we'll set that aside. Okay. Decks that are unknown for me to look through. Okay, whoa. Alright, so one of them, I get this is mine, but I wanted to put these in something. So these are the Flower Fairy Oracle, I believe. Whoops. And we've got the Woodland Wardens. Now, full disclosure, none of these are going to be first look because, yeah, I couldn't wait. Some of them I looked through just a little. Some of them I looked through more extensively. The I don't know how you say it exactly. Hieronymus Bosch Tarot. This one is really weird and crazy, so I can't wait to look through that. I've got the Gustav Door, which is kind of black and white. Let's see. I've got some gifts. Some lovely bags. Some Valentine's gifts down there that I have to wait for Valentine's Day to open. I don't know, some weird little card that was just came with something. Okay. Ooh, the Sacred Forest Oracle. That one's gonna be so much fun. Maybe I'll do that one soon. Okay. So the super freaking amazing God, how do you say it again? Meraki Tarot. So this one I have started to look through, but I literally take so much time just staring at each image that if I did a video of a first look through this, it would just be like 9 hours of silence. So yeah, I gotta absorb these a little before I can talk about them. Fairy Wisdom Oracle, Amy Brown, really amazing. Other things that are probably gonna end up being tarot decks. But I gotta wait for those. But, okay, so is that all the ones? And then, of course, Bohemian Gothic, which I should really get on pretty soon. This one, I put in order. I looked at some of them, but I tried to kind of glance at a lot of them. So it would be close to a first look, but I'm not really going to do like a first look so much as just more of a probably deep dive, because that's what I tend to do anyway. Thoughts on these cards, how I feel about them, how I would maybe work with them, etc. So Some of the oracles I get to keep because Tio said he really doesn't use oracles, so those I might do later. I should probably focus on the ones that are his that he's just loading me to look at first. It's really hard to kind of decide like what to look at first. It's a lot. So if you have a vote, if you want to vote down below, tell me which deck would you like to see first, and let me know. All right, until next time, be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment down below, and as always, be well.